Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make two completely different things. The first one is a paper star, and the second one is a bookmark for all the reading that's probably going on during this quarantine period. Alright, so to make the paper star, you are going to get a full sheet of paper and cut it in half. So this is one half of it, okay, which is already cut. Okay, you're going to want to fold it long ways, fold it long ways. Alright, so that's one fold, that's what we have. And then you're going to want to fold it again long ways, so it's going to be 2 times fold, right? Alright, so you're going to have this right here. After that, you're going to want to fold it like this. Alright, you're going to open it. You see that little crease we made? So you're going to get this part right here, and you're going to fold it so it can be even to the crease right there. So this is what you're going to have. Alright, now we're going to work on this part. So flip it around. You're going to get this part and do the same thing with it. Okay, so this is what we got so far. Okay, alright, so after that, you're going to want to come on this side and fold this down. So we're going to go ahead, fold it down just like that, and then we're going to want to do a little triangle with this part. So we're going to get this corner and bring it over here. Okay, so corner and bring it over there, and same thing with the other side. You're going to want to get this part down here. Alright, so that part down there, this is what you got. You're going to fold this part down and this part down, so you have something that should look like this. Okay, alright, so that's one of them. So you're going to do the exact same thing to the other half of paper that you have. So by the end you should have these two, and you're going to want to put this one down, put this one on top of it, just like that. You're going to fold this part down, and you're going to get this part right here and stick it under here. Okay, so put it down there. That's what we got so far. So this one, the bottom of this one, you're going to get this part right here, put it over that one, just like that. So that's what you got. You put it over that one, then you get this last part and stick it in this hole right here. Alright, stick it in there, and boom, you got a paper star, should you ever need it. Alright, so next we have the bookmark, which you can decorate at the end. I put some color to this one. Alright, you can use any type of paper. You can use spiral notebook paper or just a regular white printer paper. So what you want here is to have a square, so you want even sides. Okay, you don't want to have a rectangle. Okay, so you're going to want to make a triangle, so fold it right here. You're going to make that fold right there. That's what we got so far. And then you're going to want to fold this part up here, just like that. We're going to do the same thing. This part's going to come up here to this part. Right there. Okay, we're going to bring it out. We're going to bring this part to that corner. Okay. My bad. This part to this corner. Alright, there you go. Same thing to the other side. Alright, so that's what we got got so far. Alright, we're gonna split these two and bring this part down here, right there. You're gonna fold it so it can stay, and after that we're gonna get this part and bring it in here in this little pocket. Okay, you go bring it over, put it in there. Same thing with the other side. All right, put it over, and you put it in there just like that, and then you have your bookmark. Okay, there's supposed to be a little pocket in here. After that, you can grab your crayons, color pencils, whatever it is, and color it. So the way that you use it, I'm gonna get this book. Let's say I stay in this page, so you can get this one if it's perfectly on there, just like that. Okay, there's the back side of it. Closes it. What's good about it, it fits pretty nice and snug though. So there it is. That's the bookmark and the paper star. Thanks for watching.